to another video, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lady Lori, and this is kind of a quick, fast video. It's not really so much of an unboxing. It's not a skincare, and it sure as heck is not a Mask Monday. Now, I have two boxes that I completely and I'm totally forgot about. The Glam Bag X. I don't even know what month, you guys. These are from IPSY. I don't even think they're open. Nope, well, the tape came, okay, so this one came undone. This was May. So we're probably gonna be getting, what, another one, I guess, or no, because we get them every quarterly, right? Something like that. This is the one that had Madeline Petch. Remember her? Remember this? Okay. All right. So here's the thing. I totally forgot about this one. There's another one down there. Now, the boxes are very similar. I did make my choices. I did do customization in this one. And I totally forgot like what I was supposed to customize. Now, one of them did. The other one did not. But there's some pretty awesome stuff in here, you guys. And I just have a question. You guys want me to unbox these? Because I think you might like them. I really do. I'm just looking at some nice, there's some nice names in there. We got One Size. We have some Fab, Wonder Beauty, Dew of the Gods. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say. But anyway, would you guys like to see me undo the May? And this is my box, and it's also Miss Sassy Pants' box. If you guys would like for me to unbox these two boxes for May 2022, the IPSY Glam Bag X, please, 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 let me know down in the comment section below. I'd appreciate it. Like I said, I looked down there and I kept wondering what was stacking up, why the boxes were getting a little bit higher underneath my vanity, and I didn't even pay attention to the fact that they were these color boxes. It's kind of like it just went in and out. I guess the board meeting, Sassy must have left both doors open on each side, and the thought just shoom, went right through. But I do have these, and if you guys would like to see what I got, like I said, there's some pretty cool companies in there. And you know what, let me hang on just a second, okay? Just a sec. All right, this is what I wanted to do. I checked in mine, I peeked inside mine, and I'm gonna go ahead and peek inside hers, or vice versa. I don't know the name on the bottom. Okay, this one's mine. The first one that I looked in is hers. So that first box was Sassy's. This box, it's mine, and this one hasn't even been unopened. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this one's mine, and it has not even been opened up. Nothing has. Everything's still wrapped up in it. Of course, I got my refreshments, which they always do anyhow. If it's that month that I'm supposed to get my refills for my blade. Oh, pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay. There are some even more, you know, the names, the brands that I think you guys are gonna like. Oh, look at that. Wow. Okay. Okay. We do got Dew of the Gods in there. There is a Wonder Beauty. Okay, so those might be duplicates. That's fine. And it looks like that's the only thing that really is gonna be a duplicate. Because wow, I don't even know what this thing is. Like I said, it's just wrapped up. And this we don't worry about. These are just my refill blades. But nice stuff, I think. So that's my box. This must be the one that I customized. I don't know. I'll go back and look before I open the boxes after I take a look at your guys' comments on whether or not you want to see what's inside my May IPSY Glam Bag Plus. Okay, so no, IPSY Glam Bag X. Oh, why do I keep calling it a plus? It kind of is, right? I mean, who cares? All right, you guys, And then I have 1, 2, 3, I have 5 pink puffy mailers from the little ones all the way. I got 3 big ones and 2 small ones, so they're underneath the desk too. If you guys want to see the IPSYs, let me know down below. Take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.